Photographs. I woke up late the next morning. The sun was already high. I did not walk to the main road and catch a bus. All the buses go to Darper early in the morning. So I stayed at home on Wednesday. I was still very, very tired. I rested and talked to the villagers about the money order. I told them about the identity card and the photographer. The school teacher said, "Yes, the official is correct. In a post office, you always show your identity card." The school teacher filled in my application form for an identity card. Application form for identity card. Name Adam Jamei. Address Village of Minta. Age 72 years. Place of birth Village of Minta. Occupation farmer. Color of eyes brown. On Thursday, I traveled to Darper again. I walked to the main road and I caught a bus. In Darper, I walked to the house of the photographer. I knocked on the door of the house. No one came to the door. I knocked again loudly with my stick. A woman opened the door. "Who are you? What do you want?" she asked. "Can I have my photographs, please?" I said. "Your photographs?" "I have no photographs," the woman replied. "I came here on Tuesday. Where is the photographs?" I asked. "He's out. He's not here." And the woman closed the door. I shouted at her, "I'm waiting here for him." After a long time, the photographer came back. He looked tired and he smelt of beer. "Give me my photographs," I said. "I have waited a long time for you." The photographer looked at me and said, "I don't know you, old man." "What photographer are you talking about?" "My 3 photographs from my identity card. I paid you £2 for them on Tuesday. Subscribe for more, please. Give me my photographs immediately or my money." "Your photographs? Your money? What are you talking about?" the photographer said. "Show me the paper. Show me the receipt for your..." "My receipt?" I asked. "Yes. Where is your receipt?" the photographer asked. "You didn't give me a receipt," I shouted. "Give me my photographer or my money immediately." And I hit the photographer hard with my stick. I am old but still strong. The photographer fell on the ground. He shouted, "Help! Help! This old man is killing me." And I hit him hard again. Lots of people ran out of their houses. I hit the photographer again and 2 men held me. I could not get away from the 2 men. The photographer was very angry and I was very angry. Lots of people were shouting. Then a policeman came. The photographer shouted to the policeman, "This old man hit me 3 times with his stick. He's a thief and a murderer." He wants my money. The policeman held my arm and said, "Come with me to the police station." I did not say anything. We walked to the police station. At the police station, the policeman asked me, "Did you hit that man 3 times?" "Yes," I said. "He didn't give me my photographs." "Show me your identity card," said the policeman. "I am Adam of Minta Village," I replied, "and I haven't got an identity card." "Old man," said the policeman, "go back to your village. Don't come here and fight. Keep R of Darper." And he pushed me into the street. I went back to my village. I was tired and angry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, please.